Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Red Wax is probably one of the most exciting products I've reviewed this year. It's designed to give your car that showroom shine, and I'm here to tell you if it lives up to the hype. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of car detailing, exploring the ins and outs of this particular wax, and seeing if it's the right choice for your ride. Get ready to discover the secrets to a flawless finish. Number 5. Yoption Wine Red Wax Seal Sticks. These Yoption wax seal sticks are perfect for adding a touch of vintage charm. The flashing wine red color gives it a glossy and delicate look. You can easily create beautiful wax seals for various projects. Use it for wedding invitations, DIY crafts, or gift wrapping. It's also great for sealing envelopes and wine bottles. This is a special and unique gift for anyone who loves wax seals. Light the wick and tilt the stick at a 45-degree angle. Let the flame melt the wax. Then, pour the melted wax onto your surface and apply your stamp. It's ideal for anti-counterfeiting packaging, craft gifts, and stationery. It can also be used to keep important information confidential. It is a great way to add a personal touch. The package includes 5 wax sticks with wicks. Each stick measures 3.54 by 0.47 by 0.39 inches and weighs 12 g. It provides everything you need to start creating beautiful wax seals. What we like. This wax stick boasts a vintage and glossy finish, perfect for adding a touch of elegance to your projects. It's incredibly easy to use, thanks to the built-in wicks. If you're looking to create beautiful wax seals for invitations or gifts, you should consider this. What people say. They melt well. Works well. Seems to stick to paper really good. They were very easy to use. The seals looked beautiful. They created seals that were firm and durable. Number 4. Yoption Antique Wine Red Wax Seal Sticks. These Yoption wax seal sticks are perfect for adding a touch of elegance. The antique wine red color is shiny and vintage. Use them to create beautiful wax seals. Each stick has a wick for easy melting. Simply heat the wick and let the wax drip. It's a simple way to add a personal touch. The sticks are 3.5 inches long, making them easy to handle. They are the ideal size for various projects. Use it for envelope sealing, crafts, and gifts. It's great for wedding invitations and adding a special touch to your projects. This set includes 12 antique wine red wax sticks. It's a unique gift for anyone who loves wax seals. They will love the quality and the color. What we like. These wax sticks offer a classic and romantic aesthetic, ideal for adding a touch of sophistication. With multiple sticks included, it provides great value for your money. If you are looking for a reliable and versatile option for sealing envelopes, decorating gifts, or personalizing cards, you should consider this. What people say. I received my order last week, and after using these a number of times I am very impressed with the quality of the wax. The results look beautiful, especially as light hits the finished seal. It stays firmly attached without issue and does not bleed through in any way that affects the integrity of the paper it is applied to. These work very well and have a true gold color after melted on the page, and the sticks melt well and are easy to use. Color of the sealing wax was exactly what I was looking for. Number 3. Blended Waxes Bright Red Sealing Wax Beads. This sealing wax beads provides a strong, flexible coating. It is designed for various containers and opens easily without cracking. It is ideal for tamper-evident seals and enhances the look of your product. The product offers a large variety of colors to give your packaging a distinct look. It is available in 36 beautiful colors, ranging from glossy to metallics. These wax sealing beads melt at around 170 degrees Fahrenheit. You can dip containers at 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Adjust the temperature based on the adhesion and wax coating thickness you need. With over 45 years of experience, Blended Waxes delivers consistent, premium quality waxes. The collection meets the needs of personal, trade, and industrial applications. Blended Waxes has built a deep understanding of wax for over 4 decades. They offer a wide variety of wax products and services, including custom-made products. Trust in them for wax-focused solutions. What we like. This wax is a premium blend, specifically designed for bottle sealing, ensuring a strong and flexible coating. It offers a wide variety of colors to match your brand. If you have a business that needs a reliable and professional bottle sealing solution, you should consider this. What people say. Good for sealing bottles. These blended waxes work well with bottle dipping if the right temperature is adjusted properly for each color and dipping method. Got this to seal some bourbon that I aged. I was able to dip 20 bottles and still have wax left. Once at temp it was easy to use. Have something to stir it frequently so the color stays mixed when you dip. It was easy to clean up as well. Bottles look great. Number 2. Paxcoo Red Wax Seal Stamp Kit. This kit from Paxcoo includes everything you need for beautiful wax seals. It comes with red wax beads, a warmer, a spoon, and candles. It's perfect for adding a touch of elegance to your projects. The wax is a beautiful wine red color, perfect for any project. This retro burgundy shade adds a classic touch. It's ideal for a variety of sealing applications. The included warmer and spoon make the process easy and efficient. They free up your hands and save you time. This set makes creating wax seals a breeze. The wax beads are shaped in octagons, making them easy to use. Just a few beads are enough for a complete seal. It's simple to create beautiful seals for your projects. This kit is perfect for many uses, from wedding invitations to gift wrapping. It's great for Christmas letters, thank you cards, and more. Use it to add a special touch to any project. What we like. This kit includes everything you need to get started, making it incredibly convenient. The wine red color adds a touch of sophistication to your projects. If you are looking for a complete and easy-to-use kit for creating beautiful wax seals, you should consider this. What people say. The product is easy to apply and remove. It leaves a deep, rich shine. It provides a good level of protection. Number 1. Turtle Wax Color Magic Red. Tired of faded paint? This product is designed to bring back the vibrant color of your car. It will make it look as good as new. Not only does it restore color, but it also cleans and shines the car's paintwork. This product will give your car a professional finish. The application is simple and straightforward. You don't need to be a professional to achieve great results with it. It provides long-lasting protection against the elements. This will keep your car looking great for longer. The new formula provides a dynamic color boost, enhancing the overall appearance. It will make the color pop and stand out. What we like. This product restores color and shine, revitalizing your car's appearance. It provides long-lasting protection, keeping your car looking its best. If you are looking to restore the color and shine of your car, you should consider this. What people say. The product is easy to apply and remove. It leaves a deep, glossy shine. It provides excellent water beading. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.